How to enable or disable return missed call directly from the iPhone lock screen. So you can see here, I can simply touch and hold on this call here, and I can call back directly from my lock screen. Okay, so that is where even when the phone is locked. Okay, to turn this feature on or off, what you want to do is go into settings, and in settings we scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. From here, enter in the passcode. Then we scroll down and tap on Return Missed Calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now after turning it on, you may notice that it still does not work. So for example, if you go to your notifications and if you tap on callback and it asks you to enter in the passcode, you will need to restart your iPhone. So this is quite an important step. If it does not work, you need to restart your iPhone so that the lock screen refreshes and it allows you to call directly on the lock screen without having to entering the passcode. Okay, so give that a try. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.